Have you been looking for the perfect sedan with styling and reliability that won't break the bank? Take a look at this 2020 Kia Optima LX Snow White Pearl. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 16-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 26,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, electronic stability control, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5592A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.